page 68. The Intellectual Devotional, Kidder and Oppenheim. Thursday, Day 4. Science. 024. The greenhouse effect. The phrase greenhouse effect can be used to describe two different scientific phenomena. The first is the entirely natural process by which the atmosphere prevents heat from escaping back into space. It is the mechanism by which the average surface temperature on Earth is maintained at a hospitable 60 degrees Fahrenheit. When energy from the sun reaches the planet's surface, some of it is absorbed, warming the ground, and some of it is reflected into space. Water vapor, carbon dioxide, methane, and other gases in the atmosphere known collectively as the greenhouse gases trap some of the outgoing energy, like the glass panels of a greenhouse. Without the greenhouse effect, the Earth would be so cold that life would be impossible. The expression greenhouse effect also refers to an increase in greenhouse gases over the last century that may be contributing to global warming. The Earth's surface temperature has risen 1 degree in the past 100 years, with a sharp increase since the 1980s, according to the National Academy of Sciences. The year 1998 was the hottest year on record. At the same time, greenhouse gases, proven to retain heat, have increased dramatically. Carbon dioxide in the atmosphere is up 30% since before the Industrial Revolution, and the levels of methane have more than doubled. Perhaps most important, there is more water in the atmosphere. As polar ice caps have melted, the sea level has risen 4 to 8 inches, increasing worldwide rainfall by 1%. This may spark a vicious cycle. More water in the atmosphere means more heat trapped at the surface. As the surface becomes hotter, the ice caps will melt faster, leading to more water in the oceans and still more water vapor in the atmosphere, in turn causing the surface to become hotter and the ice caps to melt faster, and so on. Additional facts. 1. Scientists from the Environmental Protection Agency estimate that the global surface temperature will rise 1 to 4.5 degrees Fahrenheit in the next 50 years and the sea level will rise 2 feet along the U.S. coastline. 2. Recent reports from NASA estimate that at present melting rates during summers, the Arctic may be completely free of ice by the end of the century. 3. The carbon dioxide-saturated atmosphere of Venus causes a runaway greenhouse effect, a positive feedback cycle of reheating that leaves Venus's surface hot enough to melt lead. Mars has almost no atmosphere, and hence no greenhouse effect, which is part of the reason it is so cold. 4. The greenhouse effect was discovered in 1824 by Joseph Fourier,